How to troubleshoot restore drill jobs with pending for encrypt key status. After logging into the Ahsay CBS web console as an admin user, click on Live Activities and select the Restore Drill tab to check for jobs which are showing pending for encrypt key for a long time. Click on Backup Restore Logs and select Activities Log. Select Filter Type. Restore Drill Error to display all related errors for today. There are no errors shown. Select Filter Type, Restore Drill Info, to display all details of the job. In this case, the Restore Drill job is waiting for the encryption key from the backup agent in order to decrypt and validate the backup data. To ensure the encryption key is sent by the backup agent, restart the Ahsay scheduler service on the client machine. After the Ahsay scheduler service is restarted, click on Live Activities and select the Restore Drill tab to check on the status of the job. The job is now completed.